Alrighty, what is up, everybody, and welcome back to Gunsmith. As always, I am Dor, and in between episodes, I went ahead and built up the boot manufacturing area. It's pretty much just like all the other stuff, so I figured why not just set it up while I got us out of the red there. I think I also rearranged this bit here to better uh, shove stuff into the boxing area. Stuff still gets a little stuck up there, but it's not falling off the line anymore. It's not falling onto the floor, so we're good there. I don't know why that just did that, but go ahead and pick that up. But we should be good to go. We need to sell a couple of orders here. If we have any orders we can sell. Is it? Yeah, it's descending. Okay. That gives you the thing that you have the money, or not the money, but the ability to sell. If you have the stock in your thing to sell to them, so that helps with completing orders. So we have 136,000. Let's go ahead and open up this menu before we get taxed. Let's go over to our factory page. We still can't do this, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and select this one, 125,000. Oh, I get it. Okay. I thought it was going to turn this one into that. But you select the factory to pick, or you select the factory, and then you open a new factory. Oh, I get it. Okay. So now all of this stuff is going to be targeted toward clothing. But I don't have any of my other stuff now. And I don't have the money to throw into this. So could I move my machines from here, or would I need to sell them from here to there? Confirm to leave this factory to go back to that factory. Okay, and this one doesn't keep running in the background, or does it keep running in the background? Because these belts were completely empty when I just came back. They all just started back up now. Huh. What if I... Well, I don't want to sell all this stuff, because then I have to do it all again. But what if I take a screenshot, right? It's one of my buttons. Which button is it? It is my stop button. There we go. Right. And then I go over to my other factory, which is clothing specific. And then I set this all back up the way I have it here. I can maybe even double it because I didn't use the whole length of it, so I can probably have it start from here and then meet in the middle and have these things facing this way, have another grouping facing that way, and then they meet in the middle somewhere and get packaged. And that way I'm just flying through uniforms pretty much, because that's pretty much all I'm making. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. I need to generate some money though. I'm going to leave this one alone for the time being. We have the ability for 17,000 more. Oh, we have 17,000 cloth and stuff in our inventory. So we need to clear out some of these missions or orders so that we can go ahead and build up the other factory here. Thank you. Sure. Turn in a couple of these. How much money we got? 50 grand. Okay, cool. So we're up to 69,000 right now. I guess this place, unless I can change it. I don't think I can. It doesn't look like there's a sell option either, maybe. unless there's something somewhere I'm not seeing. So we can just so what would the point of this one be then? I guess if you don't have the money to start one of these up, you could just go this route and then build up your money and then buy one of these ones to get the discounts? I guess. I don't see any other reason to have that one when these ones give you the specific discount for the stuff you're making in them. So let me build up probably like 100 grand. Let me just get a little bit more cash here, and then I'll hop on over to the new factory and we can go ahead and set that one up and get the discounts and stuff for the running costs and stuff like that. So to be a little bit more profitable than what we have here. And then this initial factory here, we'll go ahead and turn into, let's go and open up our research menu. We'll turn into either, well, we have a thing for that and we have a thing for that. This might be our explosives department then, unless this counts as chemical. Because this is our chemical here. That's our bullet thing. That doesn't have a factory specific thing either, it doesn't look like. And then our firearms does. So we'll go ahead and we'll buy into bullets right now. It's gonna take us 35,000 to buy into them. So let's go ahead and start that research. We're gonna lose a bunch of money. That's fine. Let me also close out of here. Let me do some of this real quick. Some of this just buying and selling. There's not going to be any building or anything being done. I might also research some more things here as we wait, but that's about it. So give me about 2 seconds here, and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, so I got the money. I don't know if the other factory is going to keep running while we're here. So if it does, then we'll start losing money. If it don't, then we should be good. We're going to lose 120 a day anyway, so if we lose more than that, then the other one's running and doing stuff. But over here in the factory, or the clothing factory, we're going to go ahead and set everything in motion here. First thing we're going to do is lay everything out again. I think we saw plenty of that in the first 2 episodes, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is probably do a sped up little building montage type thingy. We should have enough to lay down everything. Maybe. If not, I'll just jump back over there because everything's still producing and stuff, so I can just run back over there and turn in some of these missions. Yeah. I'll just go ahead and do that. The numbers don't seem to be changing, so I'm going to assume that it is not currently running. It is just something we can go back to and have produced for us if we need the cash. So let me go ahead and let me smack this stuff together real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty, so in case anybody was wondering, the other factory does indeed continue to produce. I don't think it has a limit on the storage. I think it just counts whatever it's making. Because I don't think I have enough storage to be holding this much stuff. So I think that's a good thing. But we're pretty much done with this setup here. We just need to go through and select what we need to make. We got gloves here, we got boots here. This line is the backpacks, I believe. This back is the vests, and this is the pants. All we have left to do is really do that and just connect these all together into one central line to go into the boxing machine. That's what I was looking for. So what we're going to do is we're going to merge them all together. Wherever they connect, we're going to have a raised conveyor belt. And then we should be good. We shouldn't have any clogging. I crammed these things in together so tight that they will most definitely need me to be doing the repairs on them. A few of the outer bits the construction dudes can get to, but that's really not going to be a major thing here. I'm going to have to stay on top of it to keep production up. Did I get all my belts from here? I did. Okay. Oh, we need to open up this guy, get a couple more of these ones out. That's going to not connect too hot with our thing. What if we drop it down here? Nah, that's not going to work. Okay, so we're going to connect here, right there. We need you to keep going here, but we are not an even spacing out here. Put a big one there? Nah, let's put a little one there. Okay. This might work if we put a little one in there somewhere. Let's go with these ones. Is that going to be big enough? That is not going to be big enough. Oof. Huh, okay, well, we'll just do a squiggly line. We'll do a little squiggly line and connect it up like that. That's fine. Actually, no, that's not even going to work because it's not even far enough for it to do that. Well, you know what? There we go. Boom. Alrighty. So that's getting dropped onto there. That's getting pulled across, dropped onto there, pulled straight down. This can go away for a second. Boxing machine here. This is going to come out. Connect here somewhere. Okay, you're going to go down. You're a straight one. You are. Let's go ahead and have you go that away. That away. We have the same issue again where we can't do it. Yep. Okay, no biggie. Let's just drop one of these guys here. Hit a squiggle. Actually, I need that to connect into it, so let's hit this back here. Do a big belt, a little belt, big belt. There we go. And then this one can just connect straight in because it's not having to, it's not going to need to line up with anything coming into the track. Dang, I really like misjudged the distance with this thing, did I? Don't like that. Scoot them all up, and then we'll just We'll do another squiggly line. Go over there, please. Okay, and then we need you to go right. We need you to go straight up, and then we need you to turn back into the product. Alright, that is all of them connected. We should be good. Over here with these guys, I went ahead and put extra conveyor belts. Just in case it clogs up and starts shooting the stuff off the conveyor belt itself. These are there to prevent it. So if it spits it out, this will hopefully just push it back into the pile. I rearranged my other factory to do it over here as well with the like the vest output and stuff, but since I squeezed them all together here, I couldn't really exactly go about doing that. So let's go ahead and finish it up here with the end of line. I need the boxer. Okay, boom. And that should be good. Right. I'm trying to think, where can I squeeze? Like I really can't squeeze any like maintenance paths in because of how tight I put this in. If it becomes an issue where I can't like keep up with the maintenance, then I'll just I'll probably rearrange the whole thing off camera so I can get workers in there. Cause right now it's a lot of stuff, but it'll hopefully not be that much of an issue. Really quickly here, let me go ahead and set everything up the way it needs to be set up. I need to go ahead and select all the recipes and stuff, and then I'll see you in just a second. Alrighty, so I went ahead and set everything up. I don't know why these guys still have lightning bolts over their head. I have more than enough power for everything. You know what? Let's just pump down. Where are we at? 1300. Let's get up to 1500. 1500. There we go. Let me turn everything off and on again. See if that fixes it. I don't know what that is. Maybe just a visual bug or a visual glitch on right now. Not too sure. But we're also going to go ahead and buy a market guy so we can keep this factory running constantly. They'll purchase the things that we need. I don't know if this is you need one for every factory or if you just need one and that's it. But we're gonna have him buying fabric and plastic pretty much. So let's see, we need automation rules, so we need to buy active on negative funds. We'll leave that off for now. So we're gonna need fabric sheets. We're gonna need to buy let's buy 5,000 at a time. Okay. Buy it if it equals 0, correct? Item price. Or you know what, let's have them buy. Let's have them buy when it's less than 500 left in stock. We'll change this to 5 seconds. Save that. We can turn it on and off. We can edit it. Okay, so we need to also get into plastic. We need to buy 5,000 of those at a time. Cool. Buy them if we have less than 500. Cool. Okay. We need to buy a person now. We need to hire somebody, not buy them. Buy a market manager. Cool. They automatically go to that chair. We have 3 mechanics, just in case they can actually get the stuff. We have 6 people, and we have enough room for like 20 people to sit down. So, shouldn't have too many people getting mad about not being able to sit down. We need to also put some storage down. So we need to buy that. We need to put some storage, which we're going to go ahead and put the big stuff down. As I was arranging stuff last episode, I went ahead and bought a bunch of research stuff. So we have some stuff that we didn't have the last episode. Let's go ahead and where do we want to put this stuff? Should we put it over this thing? No. We'll put it here. It can hold like 20 something boxes per stack. And we can go all the way to the roof with this, I think. No. We can do a 4 stack, that's it. Okay. You sure? Could have sworn I can go higher than this. 5 is 4 stack, medium's 5 stacks, small is 7 stack. Okay. Let's go ahead and just double this up. Get plenty of storage in here. And I think once we're done with this, we should have a thing unlocking here in a moment. I'm just buying as much research as I can at the moment, just to get everything situated. But I think that's going to go ahead and be it for this episode. We have the full production line in motion now. And our second fabric place, but our first actual fabric place. It's giving us a discount on the machine costs. It's giving us a discount on oh no. This is the wrong way. Okay, well that's a bit of an issue. See, now we can see what's going to cause an issue. What I went ahead and flipped around the wrong way. That you don't necessarily see without having stuff running. You've got a good eyes, you can see the conveyor belt facing the wrong way. Or if you start just seeing the thing spinning the wrong way, and you think you put it the right way, and then it turns out you put it the wrong way. Like I've been doing here lately. You can see it spitting objects out. So it seems like everything's good. That was our only hiccup there. But yeah, like I was saying, that's going to go ahead and be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Either there's a really short episode or it is a episode with a time lapse in it. We'll see if I manage to do either of those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed as always. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.